you're gonna get your COVID test. So remember, okay?
Yeah, guys, we're gonna go the rapid test now. So cross the fingers. I hope it's negative. I'm a little bit worried.
But what is the rabbit?
Rabbit.
The rabbit test. Yeah, to make sure Mama's teeth aren't growing like a rabbit.
I don't want to go my nose.
It's okay, we don't have a choice. We gotta do it.
Hold on.
Time Care Central.
Don't move, okay, baby?
Alright, there you go.
Good job.
Alright, good job, Mama.
It's gonna move.
Good job.
Alright, there you go.
Yeah. Mama did a good job too? Yeah, that's it?
Yep.
Alright, you want us to wait in here? Or?
Yes, in the lobby.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, ready?
So guys, we got the result and it's negative. Yay! Yep. Now we're going to Phoenix. So we're gonna drive probably like 3 hours. Yeah. Alright. Let's go. Can you bring Mama's backpack in my chair where I sit? Thank you.
Alright, Hannah, you climb.
So guys,
up there.
tapos ko lang mag-pack again. Ayan pa yung mga
And then I'll be back to get this moment.
Hannah, come over here.
Go over to me, right? Okay?
Okay. Yummy.
Tara.
Yeah, this one is
OMG.
definitely overweight.
Yeah. Alright, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 bags. Guys, on the way na kami sa Phoenix.
Let's see.
Ang daming bagahe pero konti lang naman yung laman.
No, we're gonna stop here at the Burger King here. Because if we wait, by the time we get to the bend, it's gonna be way too late. But we'll still stop and stretch our legs and get a little snack or something, a little treat.
Right guys, bili lang kami ng dinner kasi 8 o'clock na. Wala na kaming time mag-dinner kanina sa bahay. Burger King. Madalian lang to. Drive-thru na lang kami.
Hopefully they're still open.
Mayo, lettuce, tomato, pickles, ketchup, and onion.
I don't know if you guys can see. It's like a dark Mirai. This is cheeseburger.
I got the value cheeseburger. For this.
Jalapeno bites. This is Whopper.
Whopper?
Whopper. Mirai.
Yeah, $85.
Punta lang ako sa loob guys, may bibili ako.
Right. The trash, please.
Oh, that is weird.
Here.
Good.
Hi.
Perfect. Hi, baby. Can you get her shoes to her?
Oh, she already has she has flip-flops on.
Yeah. I didn't know if her flip-flops were on or not.
Okay.
Yan guys, mga 1 hour pa yung biyahe namin.
What's that headquarters here?
They're everywhere. Oh, they also have in Arizona. Up Central. Right. Okay. So we're here na guys. Yan. Gonna give you a little quick tour. That's the couch. And they have here a microwave and the little fridge. Yeah. Little desk. What is it here? This is look, that's to the other side. All right, so we have 2 beds. This is the TV, and we have 2 beds. That's the window, and we have TV again. And this is the bathroom. Towels there. Towels. Ayan. And this is outside. Alright. So, malapit na lang yung airport dito. Yan. So, guys, 11 o'clock na ng gabi. And, kailangan ko pang i-register yung aking PCR test. So, yan. So, i-end ko na yung video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video. Bye. Thank you. Good night.